Hi, my name is Javi Molina. I made this Lego set. It's called the Lego French and Indian War. Here we have the British and the militiamen, and we have the French. So I'll tell you about it. What George Washington was born at this time, and he was serving for the British. So then the British were dying from the French. They're losing mostly the Indians. They're mostly facing the Indians and the French. Usually I don't have any Indians right here right now. All I have is the French, but I think that's all I remembered. They're being attacked, and this is the time when King George II or King George I existed. Then it came to the Revolutionary War once King George III was born. So usually that happened. So let me play the music. I hope you will enjoy the view. Come on.